How are you?
Like, you see me fine. You feel so fine.
Thank you. This place is good.
The place is fine, Andy.
I'm doing very good.
This is very fine. You fine, no? Look at so. I've missed you. I don't think.
Thanks, I miss you too.
Good.
Is your boss?
Yes. Perfect timing for you. I think he just came in now. He should be in his office right now. His office is over there. Won't just go like that. You see his office.
That's it.
No, what's in that? Shut up. Oh, nobody. Go. Come back home before you go meet me. See. Because my dad my dad. You gonna calm down. You carry face and see that shit. This place is big and fine.
Hey! Now what?
My dear, you have to believe me when I say we are living in a damn world.
It is crazy, my dear. I can see all by myself. You're doing well. You're doing good.
Well, no matter what, we are moving forward.
We are moving.
So, tell me, how have you been? I mean, how are we coping?
My dear, it's a motivational thing for me, so I'm trying to cope with it and live with it like I can. I'm busing myself.
Before I forget, please, what can I offer you?
You want to take me out for lunch? Lunch is good. Anything will serve.
You know what? Just give me a minute.
Okay. I'll chicken to you, bro. I'll chicken.
Come, Jennifer. You're supposed to clean this toilet or not?
How will you like? I don't understand.
In English. I want to clean this toilet. You see, that's my Oga, your former madam. Not my former madam, my former Oga girlfriend. Gonna carry herself as soon as she gets show. She get plan. She get plan. Mommy, you too like a what's the problem? So why? I don't understand them. No, we can have plans. You see, this our Oga did like this now. She don't come to collect the shop set. She go first start to. She won't date her. She